morning friends. During last lecture we have studied different types of conversion. So during this lecture we will be studying binary rules for addition. So what are the rules for binary addition? Suppose there are two inputs A and B. So it will be having sum and carry. So there are four possible conditions: 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. So what is 0 0? Sum 0, carry 0. What is 0 plus 1? Sum 1, carry 0. What is 1 plus 0? 1 0. And last one, 1 plus 1, sum 0 and carry 1. So these are the rules for binary addition. So why do we need these rules? We need this rule for carrying out binary addition as well as subtraction. So what are the rules for binary subtraction? Again we will be having A, B. Here we will be having difference and borrow. So here we will be doing subtraction, which is binary, and here we will be doing addition, which are of binary number. So again 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. So what we will be doing here, we have to subtract 0 from 0. It will be having difference 0 and borrow 0. 0 minus 1, difference 1, borrow 1. 1 minus 0, difference 1, borrow 0. 1 minus 1, difference 0 and borrow 0. So just we have to remember this important second rule, that is 0 minus 1 is difference 1 and borrow 1. Difference means what? A minus B, and this is your borrow. So these are the rules for binary addition and subtraction. So what are the rules for binary addition and subtraction? 0 plus 0 is sum 0 and carry 0. 0 plus 1, sum 1, carry 0. 1 plus 0, 1, 0, and 1 plus 1, sum and 0. So in case of addition you have to remember one important rule, that is 1 plus 1 is sum 0 and carry 1. And in terms of subtraction we have to remember the rule 0 1, that is difference 1 and borrow 1. Okay, so where are these rule useful for us? So whenever we will be doing binary addition and subtraction, we have to use these rules. Okay, so we'll perform binary addition as well as binary subtraction one by one. So we'll be having number 1 0 1 0 1 plus 0 1 1 0 1. So we have to do this addition. So what are the rules for binary addition? 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. So this is what? 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, that is sum 1, carry 0. Again 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. So again 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, sum 0, and this is carry 1. So in this way we will be doing binary addition. We will take another example. 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0. So it will be how much? 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. Now there are 3 1. So what is 1 plus 1? Sum 0 and carry 1. Like this, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. Again we have to add 1. So it is what? 1 and 1. So it will be having how much? 1 here and 1 here. Now it is what? 1. So this is how we are going to perform binary addition. Similarly we can perform binary subtraction. So what are the rules for binary subtraction? We have seen it. Now we will do subtraction. So 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. So what is 0 minus 1? Difference 1, borrow 1. 1 minus 1, 0, 0. So what is 0 minus 1? Difference 1 and borrow 1. And what is 1 minus 1? 0. So it is what? As per 8 4 2 1. This is 8 4 2 1. That is equals to how much? 10. This is what? 8 4 2 1. That is 4 plus 1, that is 5. 10 minus 5 is how much? 5. And this is equivalent to what? 8 4 2 1. It is equivalent to 5. So by using this, what we have got? 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. So this is how we are going to perform binary subtraction. We'll take another one example. 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. So what is 0 minus 1? Difference 1, borrow 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 1, difference 1, borrow 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So we have got this. Okay, so this is the technique by which we will be performing binary addition as well as binary subtraction. So there is a question in exam. They are asking you to perform binary addition as well as subtraction using rules of binary addition and subtraction. Now we will be studying next important point, that is ones complement, and second is two's complement. So what is ones complement? Ones complement is the simple, we are replacing 1 by 0 and 0 by 1. For example, if you are having number 1 0 1 0 1, so what is the one complement of this number? As I have discussed, we have to replace 0 by 1. So what will be its complement? Complement of 0 is 1, complement of 1 is 0, complement of 0 is 1, 1 is 0, 0 is 1, and 1 is 0. So one's complement means simply replacing 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. So you can find out complement of any number, 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So it will be how much? 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. So replacing simply 0 by 1. Now next is what? Two's complement. So how to find out two's complement of a particular number? Formula is there for two's complement. Two's complement is equals to one's complement plus 1. So what is the formula for two's complement? Two's complement is equals to what? One's complement plus 1. So this will be clear by one example. If you are having number 0 1 0 1 0 1, so you have to find out its two's complement. So how to find out two's complement of this number? First take one's complement of this number and add 1 in that particular number. So what is one's complement? 1 0 1 0 1 0. So that is one's complement plus what we have to add? 1 plus 1. That is 1 1 0 1 0 1. So this is how we are going to find out what? Two's complement of a particular number. We'll take another example. So you are having number 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1. So how will you find out this two complement? Two's complement is equals to one's complement plus 1. So it will be how much? 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. What we have done? One's complement. Now add 1 in this. It will be how much? Rules for binary addition. 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. So this is how we'll be finding out one's complement and two's complement. Now we will be studying binary subtraction using two's complement method. So whenever we have to subtract the two number, so we will be performing binary subtraction by using two's complement method. So what are the rules for binary subtraction using two's complement method? There is one example over here. So what is first rule? We have to take two's complement of this particular number, or the two's complement of number which is to be subtracted. So this is rule number 1. So what is rule number 1? We have to take two's complement of the number which is to be subtracted from this. So we have to take it two's complement of this particular number. So what is second step? In second step, what we have to do? We have to add this number and the two's complement of this number. So that is step number 2. Add two's complement and given number. So what is that number? 1 1 0 1 and two's complement. So we have to add this number. So step number 3. If final carry is 1, after solving this, if final carry is 1, your answer is positive. Listen carefully. If your final answer is, if final carry is 1, your answer is positive. And last step, if final carry is, if your final carry is 0, your answer is negative. Listen properly. If your final carry is 0, your answer is negative. Again we have to take 2's complement of answer. What we have to do? We have to take 2's complement of answer. So we have to take 2's complement of answer. So what we will be doing here? Listen properly. We have to subtract these two numbers. So first we have to take 2's complement of this number, then we have to add this number and 2's complement of that number. If your final carry is 1, your answer is positive. If your final carry is not 1, your answer is negative. Again we have to take 2's complement of your answer. Now let's solve this. So what I have to do? I have to solve this. So what is my step number 1? Take 2's complement of this number. So what is 2's complement of this number? 0, 1, 0, 1. 2's complement of this number, plus we have to add 2's complement of number. How to find out 2's complement of a number is equals to what? 1's complement plus 1. So this is what? 0, 1, 0, 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 sum 0, carry 1, 1, 1, 0. We have got this number. So now what we have to do here? We have to add this number and this number. That is 1, 1, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 1, 0. That is 0. That is 1, 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0, carry 1. So what is my final number? I have got final carry, that is 1. What is final carry? 1. So what is my answer? Answer is positive. So after doing this, what is the given problem? 1, 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 1, 0. 8, 4, 2, 1. It is equivalent to what? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plus 1, 13 minus 8, 4, 2, 1. It is equivalent to 10. That is equivalent to 3. And this number is equivalent to what? 8, 4, 2, 1. So it is equivalent to what? 3. So our answer is correct. So what we have done? We have done binary subtraction using 2's complement. If my final carry is 1, my answer is positive. Okay. So let us solve another problem where my final carry is negative.